Welcome to MadeCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Leila Anika Angwa from the Philippines. I'm a Filipino.
What kind of job are you looking for?
Looking for the cookie. I look for the nanny, uh, baby
Housemaid?
babysitter,
Mm-hmm.
housemaid, cookie, all around me. Like that.
Okay. What is your visa situation? You
My
don't
visa
have a
situation,
you don't have a visa right now,
no,
right? Yes.
I don't have. I'm American.
You're presently in the Philippines and you're looking for an employer in UAE, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In which cities and countries are you willing to work? For example, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, where do you want to work?
I want to work in Dubai.
Dubai. Okay. Tell me something about your last job. What was your last job?
My last job was there in UAE. I am a all-around maid. I know how to cook, to take care of the
Mm-hmm.
baby, to clean the house. I
Okay.
finished there. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how many children were there in the family?
In the family, they have five children.
How old were the children?
The, the oldest, they start from 11,
Mm-hmm.
9, 7, 4, and the other one is newborn baby.
Okay. So why did you leave your job?
Because I finished my contract.
Finish your
I want to find
contract and
I
looking
finish
for a new employer.
looking
Okay.
for the employer.
Okay. What are your salary expectations?
Now I expect my salary to become at least 2,000 starting
At least 2,000.
dirhams.
Okay. Are you single or married?
I'm married and I have one boy.
And she's in the Philippines.
Yeah,
Philippines. Okay. Okay. As a nanny, which activities do you perform with kids?
I always play with the
Mm-hmm.
kids in the morning, play with the kids,
Mm-hmm.
give them all needs, play,
Mm-hmm.
give food,
Mm-hmm.
teach them school activities like arts, reading, singing,
Okay.
and after that we play them.
Okay. So if the baby is crying, what will you do to calm him down?
If the baby is crying, first we check. I check if she's hungry or needs something or that I have his food like that.
Okay.
I check them what they
You're
need.
going to check. Okay. If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
First, I give him the first aid.
Okay.
Then I call the madam.
You call your employer immediately.
Employer.
Okay. As a housemaid or as a housekeeper, which task will you perform every day in the house?
In the house, every morning we need to wake up in the morning early
Mm-hmm.
because for the children, for the school,
Mm-hmm.
prepare all things for the school. And
Okay.
then after they go in the school, we prepare for cleaning and then eat foods.
Okay. So you said you know how to cook, right? What kind of foods?
Yeah, Arabic food and little Chinese.
Little Chinese and also of course Filipino foods.
Of course, mostly for the baby.
Yeah. Okay.
Cook for the baby. Baby
What
food.
do you prefer? Doing housework, caring for kids, or cooking?
All around.
All around. Okay.
But, but mostly for the baby.
Caring for kids. Okay. How long do you plan staying in this job?
For looking for the new employer, I want to finish my contract and then maybe
Oh,
I will renew.
yes. Okay. Are you in good health?
Yeah,
Are you
I'm
are
good
you
now.
comfortable with animals such as cats and dogs, for instance?
No,
No.
sorry, but no.
Okay. Why should you be hired? Why should you be
Pardon?
hired?
Because I am good. I'm good in the house for the
Mm-hmm.
kids, honest.
Mm-hmm.
No need to always looking what I do. I know my task, so even they not looking for me, I do.
Okay. So what are your hobbies?
My hobbies is looking for the new recipe in the book.
Ah, you love reading recipe books. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. Please keep your mobile phone on with you. Families will contact you. Thank you. Thanks.